This is the MARCHWAY Ultralight low back folding camping chair.
Super quick to put together and just as fast to put away. Here we have our MARCHWAY Ultralight folding camping chair. The netting is in the back, the canvas is in the bum, and the MARCHWAY name is on the right-hand side. Very important to remember when setting up. This is almost a square, so what you'll find is if you set it up the wrong way, it'll actually still fit. But you're not going to get the support you need if this portion is down here. The pockets to the poles fit just like this. The bottom ones are the hardest to attach, takes the most pressure, but the more and more you sit on it, the material stretches and it gets easier over time to insert the poles. Here's what it looks like as a frontal view with an adult me. Sitting in the chair, it's pretty comfortable. It's nice and low to the ground. I could put a baby on a play mat in front of me and have easy access to them. This is what it looks like from a side view with an adult sitting in the chair. This is what it looks like with my 5-year-old sitting in it. Comfortable, supports her well, and she's cozy. Here we have little Ellie, my 3-year-old, sitting in the chair, and she's happy as a clam. Look at the pretty smile on her face. As quick and easy as it was to set the chair up, it's super quick to put away.
Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the MARCHWAY Ultralight low back folding camping chair.